came to you with empty hands, no strength to fight, no place to stand. The world was loud, my heart was low, but in the dark you still showed hope. I cried to you when no one came. The silence loud, the weight, the shame. But in that quiet, you were near. You held my soul, you caught each tear. Hallelujah, through the pain. Hallelujah, in the rain. Though I'm weak and torn in two, still I sing this hallelujah to you. I thought I lost you in the fight, but you were with me every night. I've walked through fire, but not